We have another Rolex, guys. Okay, so this gentleman just ripped it off. But no, keep quiet. We just did the gold Rolex. I joked with this guy, I go to stainless. So this is the situation we have right there. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Scotch-Brite Magic Eraser and clean up all the scratches. So was this polished before? So right here. So we're gonna clean this all up right there within seconds. And that's it. Yes, now I polish it. So from here, I'm gonna take it to a high polish with my felt wheel. Ready? Are you with me? Do you see that? Good, because I can't. Oh, so much better. Okay, so now we're almost done. Almost finished. I hope it was polished. So because I can see it, I can see every detail. Every single detail I can see. Let me make sure. We had more pits in there than I thought. Beautiful. So because I can see it, I can see every little pit that's there as I'm working on it, yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate and speak at the same time. So right here we have, the pits are pretty much gone. You see that? I can keep doing more. He's got some deep scratch right here. I should have taken care of that on the Scotch-Brite. Remember, this stainless is not the most. So right here. There we go. And then I'll just do here. Very nice. Was it polished? I didn't even ask him. Very nice, you see that? And so for this, I'm gonna use the green brush and bring it all together. Wow, this was, dude, this was all supposed to be polished. Yeah, no. This was all polished, right? This was all polished? Oh, Lord. So we're just gonna do his class because I'm not getting paid for this. Okay, so here we are. And so when I do this, hold on, let me do this. Oh, you're doing video? Okay, where's my wipe? Someone just took my wipe? Cool. Hold on. So now I'm gonna polish. I polish. Yeah. So, other one, hold on. Okay, so the green brush, let me use to get inside the Rolex. There you go. There you go. Yeah. But I still have some scratches. Hold on. So right here, do you see that? So some of these scratches can be gone with a buff. So if I use a buff, where's my buff?
There's one behind.
Where's my brown buff? Where's my buff? Oh, there it is. Sorry, you didn't help me. So just real quick. from this to this. See that? Sorry, my head's in the way. And there you go. We're done. And there you go. So that was done on the Jooltool. Where are you? So that was before. So it's before, and that's after. Oh yeah, I know, it's very nice. Okay, don't stop. Okay, so here, this is not my Rolex. Whose Rolex is this? Ah, it's your Rolex. Okay, so there you go. You are so welcome. Enjoy. Do you like it?
Yes,
I could do everything. I could do the sides. I could do everything. Very easy, but that was the worst of it. Okay, so you're so welcome. So if you like what you saw, subscribe to my channel, and there's more videos. I just did a Rolex with gold and stainless. So thanks for watching. Comment if you have any questions down below.